Breaking news. The new Realme Gt Pro just got released and it's already breaking the iPhone 17 Pro Max's record on the Antutu platform. The Realme Gt Pro scored over 1 million points on Antutu, which is a first for any smartphone. Let me give you some context. The iPhone 17 Pro Max scored 944,000 points on the same platform, which was the highest score we had seen until today. The Realme Gt Pro's impressive score comes despite having a lower clock speed compared to the iPhone. This new phone from Realme has a very powerful chipset, the Dimensity 9000 Pro, which is clocked at 3.04 GHz. The iPhone's A17 Pro chip, on the other hand, is clocked at 3.7 GHz. Despite the lower clock speed, the Realme phone's sustained performance is better, which is evident from its On2 score. What do you think of this? Let me know in the comments below. For more such interesting shorts, subscribe to my channel. This is the new Realme Gt Pro, and this is the most advanced smartphone of the year that you can buy for under $300. Let me explain why. So this phone has been in the works for 3 years. It's the first phone with a 240 Hz OLED display. That's not just the fastest display ever, but it also has the highest resolution and the brightest display ever on a smartphone. The phone has an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which means it's faster than the one on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And it has the largest battery ever seen on a phone, a 5000 mAh battery with 100-watt charging. Now this phone is not available in the US, but for the international market, it costs just $299, and it comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Now that's all very impressive, but what do you think of the design? Because this does look like a very pretty phone. What do you guys think?